Okay, good day class. Welcome for our lesson 3 sa itong computer programming, which is data and expressions. So our objectives on this lesson is to know what is a data and expressions and the different data types. So unsay kalainan ni data and expressions and the different data types. How to use data and expressions in Scilab. So we're going to use it in Scilab, of course, kay ito ang ginagamit kay Scilab man jud. So what is a data in programming? So unsa ba yun ning gitawag nato nga data sa programming? So a data are symbols, characters, or quantities on which operations are performed by a computer. So it is a symbol, character, or quantities. So a data type is an attribute associated with a piece of data that tells the computer system how to interpret its value. So the data is just any symbols. So symbols pwede siya plus, minus. Characters, so pwede siya A, B, C, D. And quantities, 1, 2, 3, 4. While a type is the attribute associated with a piece of data. So, pag musukit tag data type, for example, inong tag 1, 2, 3, 4, unsa na siya klase nga data? So, what is the data type of 1, 2, 3, 4? So, in programming language, there are a lot of data types. So, depende na siya ron sa unsang programming language na imo ang ginagamit. So, sa TUA, Scilab atong ginagamit aning subject. So, the most common data types are integer, which is other form programming language, INT ang abbreviation diya. Floating point, or just simple float, character or char, string, boolean, enumerated types o enum, array. So sa atua, sige kita gamit og array sa Scilab. So napud tay date. So this is another data types. And a lot more. Dagan pa tang mga different data types. So integer, so unsa man ning data type na gitawag natong integer? So an integer is a number that has no fraction or ang fraction. So an integer is a whole number, just like in your mathematics. So an integer is a whole number. So it is the most common numeric data type in every programming language. So example are the counting numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. So wala tay 1.1 or 1 half. So dili na siya consider as an integer. So integer is a whole number. Now a floating point, or simply float in other language, this is a numerical data type that has a fractional or decimal point. So natay integer, natay floating point. So such as 1.01, 33.33, 1/2, 1/4. So that is a floating point. Now, a character is another data type with a single letter digit such as A, B, C. So, single letter lang yun siya. So, if it's composed of a lot of letter, two or more letters, or so-called sequence of letters, it is now called a string or STR in other language. So, kanya po mga abbreviation na ipangbutang, mo mga common abbreviation niya na sa ubang language. Such as, mugamit ka o C, C++, Kotlin, mo ni sila. STR lang ang tawag nila. Uban kay full word yun niya string. So, Boolean. So, Boolean is another data type which is represented of two values, either true or false. So, sa uban na it's ball. Ball lang ang tawag nila. So, Boolean. Sometimes its value is also 0 and 1. 0 for false, 1 for true. Enumerated type or enum. So, enumerated type na data type are not common in other language. So, na yung mga specific na programming language na gagamit og enumerated type. So, it contains a predefined unique value that be compared and assigned to a variable. So, it's a predefined na siya value, such as minukag pi, so it's an enumerated type na. So, ang uban wala gagamit sa word na pi. Ang uban diretso is 3.1416 ana. So, na yung ubang programming language na predefined na sa iyang ubang mga value. Kay mo na mga const value la kogol ginagamit nato. So, an array is a list of numerical elements arranged or stored in a specific order, typically of the same data type. Sa mga latest improvements sa programming language, such as MATLAB ug Scilab, ang ilang array can be composed of another or mixed data type. So, it's a pasabot na mixed data type. Pwede ang isa ka array composed of a number at the same time a character. While sa mga old version or mga karaan ng mga programming language, ang array nila is only composed of the same data type. For example, if you create an array of integer, sulod sa imong array is an integer. Isa man ang array there, sir. It's a list of numerical elements maka. Kung maantuhan na to pagsulat, an array is like a matrix. So, if you remember your math, matrix, katong 1, katong gikomputan nimo sa bracket na 1, 0, 1, ana. So, that is a array. So, in Scilab, we have a string. Although Scilab is not primarily designed as a tool to manage string, it provides a consistent, powerful set of functions to manage this data type. So, not a string daan sa Scilab. Ang character sa Scilab is diretso na siya sa string. Ang string is composed of multiple characters or sequence of characters, diba? So, ang treatment na lang ni Scilab kanang sa character is just ang string i-treat niya as a array na pwede nimo siya bungkagon. So in order to create a matrix of string, we can use the quotation character and the usual syntax for matrices. So list of commands which are associated with that Scilab string is presented. So kani siya ang mga predefined commands ni siya sa Scilab na associated sa string, such as the word string itself, which is it converts a numerical value to a string or anything to a string. Cite to expression, convert an expression to a string. O uban pa, dagan na sila. So, as we go on or as you go on studying math, Scilab, mamit na ni mo ning mga syntax. So, dagan kay na sila. Even I, dili na ko memorize tanan. Kung mugamit og Scilab and I want to know kung unsa ko na pagkuha ani o nabay un ani, diretso ko sa help button diretso. So another is polynomials. So na ay data type sa Scilab which is called a polynomial. So Scilab allows to manage univariate polynomials. So the implementation is based on a vector containing the coefficients of the polynomial. So the basic operations that you can do is like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are available for polynomials. So you can add, subtract, multiplications, polynomial. We can, of course, compute the value of polynomial p of x for a particular input x. So, una na ka powerful si Scilab. So, when we divide one polynomial by another polynomial, we obtain a new data structure representing the rational function. So, the basic function related to polynomial is poly, coef, degree, roots, LCM. So, if you had polynomials, you can get the least common multiple of that polynomials. So, unsa mo ng polynomials, review your math. Another data type that is present in Scilab is the hypermatrices. So, yeah, matrix is data. So, review muna ta kung saan ang matrix. So, a data structure which can be accessed with two integer indices such as I and j. So, hypermatrices are a generalized type of matrices which can be addressed with more than two indices. Sa to pa, mas dagan na siya nga index. Siyempre, XYZ or 4x4 matrix, 10x3, 10 matrix. So, you can create a hypermatrix using the command of hypermat or a matrix of zeros lang, matrix of 1, so, and other forms of, common forms of matrices. The list data type, so naputay list. Unsa man ning list? Compa, listahan nga data type, is used to manage a collection of objects of different types. So, we often use lists when we want to gather in the same object a set of variables which cannot be stored in a single, more basic data type. So, ang list, medyo kung sa uban pa ni siya nga programming language, nani siya medyo sa intermediate to advanced na type na programming. I say nga natong mga dot notations sa programming wherein nagamit na sila og list. So a list can contain any of the already discussed data types, including function as well as other lists. So pwede tamo create a nested list and a tree of data structures. So list, pwede using the command list to create a list or null to delete an element of a list. For example, natay isa ka listahan, uh, 5 kabok animal, iro, iring, iro, iring. Na. So that is a list. So pwede kang butang sa iro, mga ngalan na po sa iro o sa iring, mga ngalan sa iring. So another form of list. So naimo na siyang tree. So the T-list data type is a type list allowed to define new data structure which can be customized depending on the particular problem to be solved. So T-list is an improved list method. So any regular function as a size, div, string can be overloaded so that it has a particular behavior when the input argument is the new T list. It's still a list, but i-improve na siya. Muna ang gamit sa T-list. So, kaning mga data types na gidiscuss na po sa Scilab, we'll be using it as we go further sa laboratory. So, an expression, so kato siya mga data types. So, unsa man ning expression? So, expression is a particular concept in computer science in which a number of variables or constant and operations and functions are put together in a single statement that is acted on by a particular programming language. So that is an expression. If you combine the data types, the constants, the variables, and the symbols, you create an expressions. For example, arithmetic expression as 2 plus 2 or a string expression of hello world. So, like other kinds of fundamentals, expression rely on a specific syntax of a programming language. So, not all expression is applicable to every programming language, such as kaning arithmetic expression na 2 plus 2, sa uban nga programming language, wala siya kaila. Kung kana raday ni input nimo, mag-error siya. Or kaning hello world. While sa Scilab, ilo na liya. Sa uban, dili. Try kag C++, 2 plus 2, wa nimo na siya gi-input sa certain variable, ang resulta na dili na liya ilhon. Or mag-error siya, anak. So, in C, mo sulti kag hello world, printf ang imong ibutan. While on Scilab is just a hello world. So in Scilab console, typing 1 is acceptable and it will result in a double. So katong sa inyong laboratory 1, if you will see, ang data type nimo is a double. While kung naa siya quotation, it will become a string. So in sign notes, typing 1 will not, sayop ni not both, will not be accepted as a proper syntax. Even typing kanang one with the quotation is also an error in sign notes. Pero kung sa console ka, accepted siya. So, diya pa lang sa Scilab pa lang makita nimo nga dili tanan expressions na imong gisulat is acceptable in a certain programming language. So, different programming language has different set of expressions para ilong niya. So, see video posted katong sa laboratory 1 video. So, syntax is also another word for expression can be used in your laboratory 1 activity. So, display, pwede nimo gamiton sa laboratory 1. It just display syntax to display a number or string. CLC. So this stands for clear screen. To clears the console. Kung daga na kayong sulat, gusto ninyo erase, clear screen. So CLC. So input. So the function input can be used to prompt the user for an input. And exit, if you type exit in the console or in your sign notes, it will exit the Scilab program. So do you have any question? So if you do have question, just comment below or send me PM me on Messenger on our class. So if you don't have any question so see you on the next video. Bye.